Again, the most important thing is, ano ba yung objective? Kasi lahat po may binabagayan na approach. Maaring kay Pedro, ito ang approach. Kay Juan, ito naman ang approach. Hindi natin pwedeng pagsamahin iyon. Hi everyone, this is Jason Gutierrez from Ramper Financials. First and foremost, I would like to thank our solid ka-RFF who have been there since the very beginning. Again, maraming salamat po. Okay, for this video, we will continue our tipid tips and focus more on our friends who are looking for a very affordable product bundling that can help them in achieving their financial goals. Ngayon, kung ikaw po ay nagtitipid o kaya naman ikaw ay nag-uumpisa pa lang sa iyong career, ngunit gusto mo makapag-take advantage ng murang prices ng mutual funds or ng stocks, at the same time gusto mong maproteksyonan ang iyong sarili at ang iyong pamilya, okay, itong video na ito ay para sa iyo. Alright? Simulan na natin. Okay, this time for this product bundling, we will be using two very basic products and show you on how you can effectively achieve your financial goals. Now, this method, which is very common and actually very familiar to so many. In fact, may debate pa nga dito eh. This method is called BTID or Buy Term Invest the Difference. Alright? So, the BTID strategy or method refers to getting a term insurance instead of a permanent plan such as whole life plans, endowment, or even VOLs, no? Kasi po, since the term insurance is the most basic kind of insurance, it is actually very affordable and at the same time, napakalaki po ng coverage na pwede mong makuha. So, in theory po, no, kung meron po nag-offer sa akin, for example, permanent plan na nagkakahalagang 30,000 for a 1 million coverage, ang gagawin ko po ay bibili po ako ng isang term insurance. Again, by theory, instead na 30,000 po ang babayaran ko, magbabayad na lang po ako ng, sabihin na natin, 7,500 for a 1 million coverage as well. So, isipin nyo, kung meron akong 30,000 na budget, okay, hindi ko lang siya ipang bibili ng life insurance. Instead, yung 7,500 lang ang pambibili ko ng life insurance, and yung the rest po, pwede ko po ngayon i-invest. Now, kung ano pong klaseng investment yan, it's actually up to you. Marami ka na po kasing options dyan. Pwede mong ilagay sa stock market, pwede mo lagay sa mutual fund, pwede mo lagay sa business. So, ang kahalagan po nung Buy Term Invest the Difference, no, is nabibigyan ka po ng option kung saan mo gustong ilagay ang iyong pera. Alright? So, yun po yung theory about BTID. Alright? Now, the question is, di ba, alam naman natin, very efficient yung method na yun. Kasi makikita mo, mabili mo nakuha yung insurance, tapos i-invest mo the rest. But the question is, ito ba talaga yung best route? Now, alam nyo po, nasagot na po ng ating Mr. Rex Mendoza yan. So, after itong video, balikan nyo po ang kanyang sagot. Dito po, sa video na to, puntahan nyo lang po ito. Ito po ay tungkol sa BTID versus VUL. So, please, panoorin nyo po yan. Magandang topic po yan at mas lalawak pa po ang inyong kaalaman patungkol dito. Ngayon, since na-discuss ko na kung ano yung first product na gagamitin natin, so technically term insurance po yung gagamitin natin. And I mentioned ko kanina, may iba ka po pong pwedeng gamitin na investment. But for this particular discussion, we will be using, of course, our favorite mutual funds po. Okay? Ngayon, kung sino po yung mga gusto pa pong makaalam ng tungkol sa mutual funds, marami po kaming video niya under this channel. And in fact po, no, you may attend one of our sessions that that we are conducting, especially for those who are for first timers. In fact, you may inquire and then you may attend to this. We will send you the link where you can inquire here. So check this out. Now, ito po yung gagawin natin, no? Again, na-mention ko kanina, mutual funds po and then term insurance. So, ito po yung exciting part. Again, para po sa nag-uumpisa lamang or nag-uumpisa pa lamang at yung mga wala pa pong gaanong budget, pero again, gusto makapag-umpisa mag-invest at maprotektahan ang sarili at ang pamilya, okay, ito lang po ang kailangan nyo. Sa halagang 5,000 pesos. In fact, you can create your own buy term and invest the difference or BTID package. Okay? Sa halagang 5,000 pesos, makakapagsimula ka na at magkakaroon ka ng at least 1 million life insurance coverage. And then of course, makakapag-open ka na rin ng mutual fund account mo. So, paano ba natin gagawin to? This is my example to you. Okay, this is a particular product that we are carrying, no? I will not mention, of course, but as low as, okay, sa age 20 years old, in fact, you can get a life insurance worth of 1 million pesos, and then ang premium mo lang po is 3,240. Napakababa po. Ngayon po, as mentioned a while ago, kung meron kang budget na 5,000 pesos, yung remaining 1,760, yung remaining na 1,760, pwede mo ngayong i-invest at i-open ng iyong mutual fund account. Okay, marami po tayong funds na ginagamit dyan. In fact, Soldivo, Atram, Philequity, and then the others, no, that we have. You can now start investing and take advantage in the low prices in the market right now. Alam nyo, napakaswerte nyo. Dahil 10 years ago, in fact, no, for you to open a mutual fund account, ang minimum would be 5,000, 10,000 pesos, 20,000. But right now, it's very affordable. And in fact, no, hindi tayo dapat huminto doon. Kasi, ang additional investments na lang ngayon, magkano na lang ba? 500 pesos na lang din ho. Napakamura, di ho ba? Ngayon, again, going back to my example, sa age 25, the insurance premium for 1 million, it's around 3,260. For age 30, still 3,260. But at the age of 38, syempre ho, alam naman natin, as you age, medyo nagmamahal na po yung ating premiums. Now, pagdating po dito, 38, dito po hihinto yung sabihin na natin at 5,000 pesos level or 5,000 pesos na budget for the BTID, no? Kasi po, if you go beyond that, age 39, medyo, alam niyo, magdadagdag ka na rin ho ng konti. Sabihin na natin additional 200, 300, or 500 for you to open at least, no, a 1 million life insurance and then a mutual fund investment. Okay, di ho ba ho, napakaganda. Akala ho natin, for you to open a mutual fund account and then to have yourself insured, ay napakamahal po. Dito po natin patutunayan na actually, pwede talaga. Hindi kailangan mahal, lagi kong sinasabi, pwede naman din, kahit mura lang, may magagamit ka. Now, of course, hindi po nagtatapos ang objective natin dyan. Dapat ho kasi, pag nag-umpisa ka ng mutual fund account mo, kailangan po, tuloy-tuloy yan. Hanggat maaari, no, if makapag-invest ka on a regular basis. Again, as mentioned a while ago, 500 pesos na lang po for you to make an additional investment. So, it's very, very affordable. Now, okay, pwede nyo po itong i-simulate on your own, no? We have this investment projection calculator in our website, www.rampver.com. Okay, ulitin ko po, www.rampver.com. Wag po kayong pupunta sa ibang website dahil baka po hindi po kami yon, no? Baka po mali ang iyong mapaglagyan ng pera. So, again, take note po, ito po ang aming website. Now, as you can see, if you invest, no, sabihin na natin 1,000 pesos as an opening and then you invest regularly 500 and then you do that, no, in the next 5 years, ang total investment mo should be around 30,500. Okay? Right? 30,500. Ngayon po, kung ito po ay in-invest mo, again, based on our investment projection calculator, if we put it in a fund that is conservative and earning 5%, then that should be around, or the earnings after 5 years, okay, should be around 34,430 pesos. Okay, hindi na po masama. Kasi again po, kung sa bangko mo lang nilagay yan, alam naman natin, no, hindi mo pa matatalo ang inflation. If you just put your savings or all of your savings in the bank. Again, hindi po namin kayo sinasabihan na tanggalin lahat ng inyong pera sa bangko, ngunit yung mga dapat nyong ipunin para sa longer term, iba na po dapat ang pinaglalagyan niyan. It should be an investment vehicle already. Okay, now if we use a moderate projection, which is at 10%, no, per year, your 30,500 should be at 38,000. And I think, no, during this time, where we're still going to recover anyway, this is actually very achievable. Especially pag i-commit mo to in the longer term. I think this is very achievable, guys. So please take advantage of the low prices right now. Magandang-maganda po ang magiging resulta niya. So, just in case if we become more aggressive, sabihin natin 15% a year, okay, for the next 5 years, your 30,000 should be around 42,000. So, di ho ba at least yung potential mo to earn, even at least 5% man lang, it's still way better compared to a bank, or sabihin na natin sa alkansya mo man lang, di ba? Malayong-malayo po ang mararating nyo. Okay. So, again guys, ito po yung gusto nating ituro. The buy term invested difference method, pwede nyo pong gawin yan. In fact, marami po kayong option sa market. Napakamurang pong gawin. And, again guys, uulitin ko lang po, especially for the financial products, no, that you will be getting for yourself, again, hindi kailangan mahal ang financial product. Especially kung hindi kaya. Alright? Now, wag na po natin pagdebatehan kung ano po bang mas maganda. Sabihin na natin VUL or buy term invested difference. Again, the most important thing is, ano ba yung objective? Kasi lahat po may binabagayan na approach. Maaring kay Pedro, ito ang approach. Kay Juan, ito naman ang approach. Hindi natin pwedeng pagsamahin iyon. And again guys, especially, no, parang ano lang yan, parang tsinelas lang yan. Hindi kailangan branded yung tsinelas mo. As long as may maisuot ka at makarating sa paroroonan, no, yun po yung mahalaga. Same din with our investment products. As long as it leads you to the right path, you will be fine. Okay. Again guys, sana po itong video na to ay nakatulong. And alam niyo naman po, kung meron po kayong katanungan or mga suggestion, please email us at this email, info@ramver.com, or drop a message in our Facebook page. Now, nandito po kami. Sasagot po sa inyong mga pangangailangan. And sa mga ka-RFF po, no, na patuloy na nagtitiwala at sinishare ang inyong storya, maraming salamat po. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yon at nakakataba po talaga ng puso. Okay? Before I leave, please don't forget to like and subscribe into our channel, and please share this to your friends and families, and also of course your colleagues. Again, guys, this is Jason Gutierrez. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo.